You're out in the field that you simply have your gun, heats up in an instant, matter of a number of seconds. FNIRSI USB-C soldering iron, portable. You get everything but a power station and solder, and you could go on the go anywhere imaginable. We're going to show you what you get inside the box. The HSO1 runs off of up to 96 watts, 780 degrees Fahrenheit. You get all the irons that you need. They're cone-shaped, narrow, medium, and wide tip. You have the slanted, narrow, and wide irons. This is a 65 watt PD USB A and C power brick. You have a stand for the iron and sponge, a 4-foot USB-C to C cable, and a dedicated USB-C to DC plug for your power station. The HSO1 opening up the nice sliding door comes with an instruction guide in multi-languages, how to use unit and get started. You have a cover aluminum alloy, a soldering iron medium, and the soldering stick control board with an OLED and your 2 buttons. Going over the unit, an OLED, 2 buttons, a removable nut, and a USB-C port, aluminum alloyed case, and cover that simply goes on and locks, and your iron. In this demonstration, we're going to hook up to a power source, plug in, and introduce with a logo. We are running at 12 volts. It's telling us to remove the nut, place in the iron, and place back the nut. And when placed on, it switches over, telling you the next step to hit the on button, which is the one closest to the iron. The unit has timed out and the power station has shut off. That is normal. We're going to use the supply cable from the power station, plug in, the unit turns on, 5 volts, volume 1 is low. With the PD 30 watt plugged in, plug the gun in, we are ready to go by hitting the on button, and our temperature is in Fahrenheit. We hit the button again and we adjust our temperature, 402 degrees. That is the temperature reading by hitting the button once and adjusting, and it goes back to showing you the actual reading. I want to increase my temperature by hitting the temperature raising 582 Fahrenheit. I am now going to melt some solder. I'm going to increase my temperature to the maximum. I am now going to melt some solder. I am now going to tin some wire. When all done, I can simply lower my temperature and unplug my unit and place on the cover for added protection. Double pressing on the switches, we have brightness CTCA. Pressing on the next will be SS calibrate TE, temperature unit, sleep time, child lock, language, handheld, volume select, back to brightness. Pressing on the other button reverses. When you're ready to choose a language or any setting, hold down the inner button, and then you're able to switch through and you're set. And then you're able to scroll through each of the settings of the unit. To calibrate, hold down and it'll calibrate the degrees and make sure the cap is on. When ready to use the iron and you want to back out, just simply long press this button and then you're able to set up your degree and all. We have another power station, USB-C output. We plug in our USB-C and we're able to use our unit. You're out in the field that you simply have your gun. Heats up in an instant, matter of a number of seconds. And do your repair. Just like that. And you're all done. Matter of time. FNIRSI, your soldering gun. For all your soldering needs to fix your products on the field. Pen size, fits in the pocket. Easy to carry. Portable. I hope this product is something that you are looking for. In a soldering iron, portable, USB-C. The FNIRSI HSO1 soldering iron. Anywhere imaginable you can use your soldering iron for RC hobbies, for technical stuff, for computer needs, anywhere on the go. I hope you enjoy the product and check online for further details more about this product. And thank you for viewing.